man and his kayak. Let's go. If you've never kayaked, you need to. It was always my fear. I hated the tipping. And all the times I was trying it, the kayaks were too small for me. So Dawn told me, use her kayak. It's a bigger one. Love this island lake. Never been here. It's on the Huron River. There's a major highway, I-96, not far away. You don't hear it unless you go to one section of the river, but within minutes you don't hear it. Just the quietness in the river here. One thing when you're out here, you really think all your troubles are gone. In fact, mine are still there, but you get out here and you're just so close to the water. It's not like a canoe or a motorboat, houseboat, pontoon boat, whatever. You're not as close to the water. You can just reach out and take it all in. You think about all the settlers, 1700s, 1600s, 1800s, that paddled the same way, and they were just looking for a better life. And now we use it for recreation. But if they didn't pave the way for us, we wouldn't have this. Interesting about this river, you can go all the way from the beginning of it, which I forget how far up it goes, and in about 4 days you can bring your camping stuff. So people will call it kayak camping or something like that, and they bring their camping gear and they stop at different places. There are some campgrounds, and I shouldn't say campgrounds, camping spots. And you can just pull up for the night and get going the next morning. Get out on the waters here, folks. That's why we're called the Great Lakes. I would never take this on a Great Lake, even if it was calm. There's people that do. I give them credit, but they're more experienced than I am. I just like to have fun, relax, get out here. Till next time, happy paddling.